This is the NIU KQi2 Pro, a sleek, ultra-portable electric scooter built for zipping through city streets. With a minimalist design, a 600-watt peak output motor, and NIU's smart tech integration, the KQi2 isn't just another budget scooter. It's a daily commuter's best friend. The one we're looking at here is the classic gray colorway with black accents, but there's also a white and gray colorway as well. In this video, I'll walk you through the build, motor, controls, as well as what it's like to actually ride this thing. I'll also share my speed and range results and some personal thoughts on whether this compact ride lives up to the hype. You're watching Electric Rideables, and this is everything you need to know about the NIU KQi2 Pro. Right away, the KQi2 feels solid in a way that a lot of lightweight scooters don't. The frame is crafted from aluminum with a curved deck that's not just stylish, it feels real comfortable. You've got 10 by 2.3 inch tubeless tires that handle cracks and rough patches better than most scooters in this class. Powering it all is a 300 watt rear hub motor that peaks at 600 watts. It ain't gonna win any races against more expensive scooters, but hey, it's quick for its class. Here we are on flat pavement doing a top speed test in which I hit a top speed of right at 17 miles per hour, which is exactly what NIU claims, and I like that. It also accelerates quickly enough from a stop and does reasonably well on flat to mild inclines. But again, at 300 watts and $400, don't expect a rocket ship. You've got two ride modes. E-Save mode captures speed at about 9 miles per hour and gives you maximum range, while Sport mode unlocks that full 17 mile per hour top speed and gives you a zippier throttle response. Switching modes is easy via the handlebar-mounted LED display, which I have to say is really bright, simple to use, and pretty intuitive. Short press once to switch modes. Short press twice to turn the headlights on and off. Short press 3 times to switch between miles and kilometers per hour. And while we're pressing things, if you like electric rideables like this, be sure to press that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content. To get started on your KQi2 Pro journey, you have to download the app, pair the scooter, and complete the included tutorial. The entire process only took me a few minutes to complete though, and was only a minor hassle. The battery is a 48 volt, 365 watt hour lithium pack, giving you a claimed range of right at 25 miles. I'll reveal my real world range test in a moment, so stick around. Charging takes about 5 to 7 hours from 0 to full, using the included 1.5 amp charger. It's not lightning fast, but pretty standard for the 7.6 amp hour battery size. Now let's talk ride quality. The NIU KQi2 doesn't have suspension, but the ride still feels smooth thanks to those plush, super firm tubeless tires and the wide deck design. The wide handlebars give you real control, and the deck is roomy enough to stand comfortably without cramping your stance. This isn't one of those tiny scooters that'll make you feel like you're riding a toy. Well, maybe the bell does. Oh, and you get included grip tape that you can switch out, which is pretty nifty. Anyways, for braking, you get a drum brake in the front paired with regenerative braking from the rear hub motor. It's responsive and the regen kicks in gently. And lights? You bet. The KQi2 has a bright halo headlight with daylight running light and a rear brake light that flashes when slowing down. It also has a healthy amount of reflectors located all over the frame and handlebars. The folding mechanism is one of the most stable I've used. It clicks in firmly and doesn't feel wobbly at all. And the locking mechanism clicks in nice and tight and actually makes a really satisfying click. Unboxing. The only thing you really have to assemble out of the box is the handlebars. Just connect the power cable, insert the handlebar into the stem, and tighten all 6 of the included screws. So let's wrap it up with my real-world results. On mostly flat ground with a few mild hills, full throttle in sport mode, I covered 5.7 miles and about 45 minutes of riding, and according to the app, after the ride, I had 35% battery remaining, which would give a total range of just under 9 miles. And at only $399, the KQi2 Pro punches well above its weight. It delivers smart features, clean design, and dependable performance in a lightweight, commuter-friendly package. All in all, the NIU KQi2 Pro is a stylish and surprisingly capable electric scooter that nails the essentials and adds some smart features to boot. It's not built for off-roading or high-speed thrills, but for urban rides, daily commuting, or quick errands around town, it's a fantastic choice. Go ahead and hit that link in the description to check out current pricings or to learn more, and if you like slick rideables that are smart, efficient, and fun, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more rideables coming up, including a few in this video right here.